안녕하세요. 이상원님, 개검도리님, lilac-님. I already bought the medicines from the money that I received from you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm so grateful for your generosity and kindness. May God bless and shower you more blessings always. Take care. Once again, 감사합니다. Bye-bye.
Dongjanin, kamsahamnida. Happy Valentine's Day.
Samnida, Jermaine Nanandi, my volunteer.
So, Arby, today is your birthday, right? So, happy birthday, Arby. So, Chukuminim gave you 4,000 for your dinner later on. So, na mag-dinner mo sa iyong parents. Ikaw na, kamot sila sa mamang mo, di mo, o papa niyo.
Chukuminim, kamsahamnida.
So, we're now going to Cebuana.